Here we go, Papa. Where are we?
Daddy,
Oh, but we're just here, look. Look, we're right here. Just woke up. Okay.
I like this way.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Well, where do you want to start? Go look for the keys. Okay.
Under the mat.
I'm recording.
Well, apparently the keys are under the mat.
Which mat?
I don't know.
that mat?
Is there a mat up there?
Yeah.
Have a look under. No, not that mat.
That's what I said. What mat? Okay. I might have to ring up.
No, it'll just be a treasure hunt.
Watch out for that big knife right there.
Oh yeah. Wow. Exactly.
Oh, they've taken all the road cones. Oh, look, there's some fibre lights in there. Corrugated steel. And a window frame.
Try. No.
What a freaking mat.
Is that here? Oh, don't touch anything.
No, don't touch it. There's no keys under there. I'll turn this off, because we're wasting our time.
Under there?
Oh, look, too flash.
Yeah. I'll turn this off for a bit. Under them.
Open the cupboards.
Oh, I must have looked out here.
Yeah, I don't know. What do you reckon?
Me?
Dad with the nervous giggle.
Hey?
Oh my.
Hey!
Hey,
Got a lot of work to
some
do.
paint. We've got a lot of work to do, haven't we, Dad?
Yeah. Yeah.
But there's a weed eater for you.
Yeah, it's rubbish.
How do you know?
Oh, teapot.
Oh,
How?
oh lordy.
Teapot.
Cool. Just a pot.
Yeah. Oh, stickers.
Whoa.
What is those for?
They're like
Oh, these get
fireman stickers. Oh yeah.
What's the story?
And I
Oh,
found
it's a spray machine. That
Wow, well that's a bonus.
I found this.
A beanbag. Oh, don't touch anything.
Yeah.
I found that.
Oh, dartboard.
dartboard.
Yeah.
Look, not too bad.
True. Here we've got the little
I know where the top is.
sleep out. Oh, some shoes for you. Oh wow. I mean, wow.
Can we put this bean bag in here?
Wow. Sure, honey, we can put.
Yeah, because this is going to be my bedroom, isn't it?
Yes. Yeah, I think we might all sleep in here at some stage. It's the plan. That's the plan.
And should we put...
Whew, I'm just, you know. Yeah. Here's the shed. Get Rob to give us a tour of the shed. Look at the shed. Ooh, the shed's missing quite a bit. Tell us about.
Dishwasher.
Tell us about the shed, honey.
So this is the shower, laundry, bathroom area, kind of.
Bathroom, but no toilet.
No, no toilet.
No
but,
toilet. Good morning from Kawhia. Just having a coffee. It is an absolute stunner of a day. Rob's just got up and I've sent him on for his first Kawhia chore. He loves a chore. So we'll go and have a look what are you doing, honey?
Putting the fence back.
Putting the fence back.
Yeah, just fixing shit.
Bit weird how it has a gate there, fences, not bad fences, a gate, and then just a big gap.
I've got to say, welcome to Kawhia.
Look at that beautiful, beautiful batch.
What about beautiful? Beautiful sunshine.
She's got some good potential. So there's, yeah, it looks like there's legit the bits of wood from the fence just under the house. So just for a bit more security, Rob's going to see if he can put it back together like a puzzle. Got some bags of concrete so we can concrete in those posts. Yeah, and then we could have like, whoa, got some wire if we need some. We can have a ready-made fence hopefully by, oh, you know, give it a couple of hours. Stunning day in Kawhia.
I reckon I'm going to put these stairs in there too.
Good for day one. Oh yeah, we've got some stairs, pre-built stairs.
Yeah,
Actually, they're great. They're great
those over there, eh?
because the stairs up to the house are, well, I call them floating stairs. The bottom two aren't attached. The top three, ooh, you definitely wouldn't want to jump on them. So maybe we will demo them down and affix these little ready-made ones. There's a little banana plant growing through the deck. Man, we've got some work to do. This shed, my favourite. Love a good shed. Anyway, I'm going to finish my coffee and crack into it.
So, welcome to Kawhia. I would say what the France, but we're not in France, we're in what the Kawhia. Anyway, looking down in here, we got some timber out of there, which was the original post and stuff of the fence through here. I've torn down the old steps. Those are the old steps. And these are the new steps we're putting in. Dug a couple of holes. Going to put this fence back up again through there with the boards. And going to install those steps because the last ones we've, shall we call them floating steps? Because they are floating all over the place. And going to cement in the posts and get it done. So have a watch. Ready. I think. Fortunately, the old steps, bit rat tat, bit rubbish. These are going to be the new steps, and that's what we're doing at the moment. Just trying to sort this out. So we're going to screw it in place, and then fresh new steps, and then finish off doing the fence. Such fun. And we're going to screw it into that side and that side, and screw into this post, and then I'll put another post alongside it to screw it in, lock it in place, and we'll see if Nicola can give me some advice. Honey. Just with this step, do you want this step to be in line with this so you don't kick under here? Like that? See, that way you don't kick your foot under here or trip under here?
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah.
There?
Yeah, that looks good like that. Yeah.
I actually need you to come and hold it.
I'm just going to finish getting dressed.
Alright.
Put some clothes on.
She's just going to finish getting dressed and put some clothes on. It's like not like she's naked. Alright. Sounds good. Talk soon.